you for joining, Ewan. It's lovely to see you. I will start by giving you a quick introduction into Voiceitt and how Voiceitt can support students. I can then hand over to Michael, and Michael can give you a demonstration of Voiceitt and show you how life-changing it can be. So, if you haven't heard much about Voiceitt before, it's an innovative speech recognition application designed to understand and translate non-standard speech patterns into clear, intelligible speech to communicate with others or with technology. It assists with speech output and enhances abilities to engage with educational tasks, potentially improving academic performance and social integration, boosting students' confidence and independence. Voiceitt is really easily integrated into a student's workflow, so they can use Voiceitt through their smartphones or their tablets, which provides portability and accessibility. Voiceitt also allows for personalised closed captioning during video calls through WebEx, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. They can also integrate with Alexa and other smart devices, and then they can also use the Voiceitt Chrome extension. So students with diverse accessibility needs can utilise the extension to dictate on browser-based platforms, including Google Classroom, facilitating collaboration and academic engagement. Some of the challenges that students face and the solutions that Voiceitt can provide. So with verbal communication, Voiceitt learns and adapts to individual speech patterns, allowing students with non-standard speech to be understood clearly. The app can be used in various academic settings, from one-on-one interactions to larger group settings. With group work and interaction with peers, Voiceitt facilitates easier communication in group project settings, allowing students with speech impairments to contribute more effectively. The app can help bridge communication gaps between students, fostering better collaboration and inclusion. And Voiceitt enables a more transparent communication with professors for one-on-one meetings as well. With lecture participation, by translating speech in real time, Voiceitt enables students to actively participate in class discussions and Q&A sessions. Students can feel more confident expressing their ideas, knowing that they'll be understood. And with presentations, students can use Voiceitt to deliver presentations more clearly, ensuring their hard work and knowledge are effectively communicated. The app can be connected to speakers for larger audiences, making it suitable for various presentation settings. Now, enough for me, I'll pass you over to Michael. So Michael was born with cerebral palsy and was one of the first pupils in his school to have a BBC microcomputer. Michael then completed a Bachelor of Science honours degree in computing at university, and today Michael is a product specialist for Voiceitt and will demonstrate how of Voiceitt and how life-changing it can be. So I'll pass over to you, Michael.
Thank you, Ellie, for your introduction. Voiceitt is currently continuous speech recognition application that can be used on any device, tablet, PC, or mobile phone, as long as you've got internet access. And it's been a real game changer for me and other people with non-standard needs. And it gives me the opportunity to use my own voice and dictate directly into the computer. And I don't need to worry about using a physical keyboard, which can be quite cumbersome at times. And I don't need to also worry about my spelling, as it does it all for me. I remember the days of being at university, trying to write my dissertation on the computer, and it taking ages. And one time they did, let me dictate it to someone, but even that was a bit cumbersome. But I think being able to use Voiceitt would have been amazing. Exclamation mark. Now, if I make a mistake, undo, I can go back and delete the last thing I said, period. And as you can see, I have got some punctuation as well. New paragraph. And I can go on to a new paragraph. Copy. I can copy the text and paste it somewhere else on my device, or I can go in with the keyboard and make mine edit as well. I can share it into another application on my mobile phone. I can share a message into WhatsApp, but on my computer, I can share it into Facebook or LinkedIn or email. At the moment, what you're seeing is in our dictation mode. But if I move over to our speak mode, then this can be used for one-on-one conversation. This mode is more for conversations. Integrate with ChatGPT. Can you recommend a good whiskey?
Of course. The choice of whiskey can depend on your taste preferences and the style of whiskey you're interested
in. In order to set this up, people need to go into our record section. It says 100 phrases, but actually we now hoping to reduce that to 50. So people click on here, they get a phrase, you click, listen to that sound, and then you move on to the next phrase. Now, as part of the recording, you can add your own vocabulary if you've got certain names or addresses or surnames that may not be common. You can add them to your personal vocab, and then you got shortcut phrases. These are only for the big money. So if I go into big money and say, oh,
Please could I have a Coke?
then it'll read out the whole phrase for me. We do also have an integration with Google Chrome. It works with many different websites. So I turn it on. and I begin talking now, then I can just type directly into a Google document, as you can see.